Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to zoom to fill on HBO Max. This is very simple, but HBO Max doesn't allow this in of itself, so you will have to go to Chrome Web Store.google.com and then install a extension which is called HBO Max Bender. And now click on this HBO Max Video Bender, rotate and zoom video, click add to Chrome and then add extension. Now you can close this one and this one as well and go back to the HBO Max, and I will show you how this works. It is really simple. Just click right here on this extension button and then click on HBO Max Video Bender, and here you can zoom in just by dragging like so. So we can zoom in the video, out of the video. You can also rotate the video left or right. And then you can watch mode in original size, fit width or fit height. So choose whatever you like. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.